Welcome to our quick and easy carbonara recipe. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to create the perfect carbonara. From selecting the finest ingredients to mastering the cooking techniques, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 400 grams of spaghetti, 150 grams of guanciale or pancetta, 4 large eggs, 100 grams of Pecorino Romano cheese, freshly cracked black pepper, and salt for the pasta water. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. This is where we'll cook our pasta. While the water is heating, let's prepare our guanciale. Cut it into small strips or cubes. This will give our dish a rich, savory flavor. Next, heat a skillet over medium heat and add the guanciale. Cook until it's crispy and golden, releasing all its delicious fat. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. While that's cooking, let's mix our egg mixture. In a bowl, combine 4 large eggs, 100 grams of grated Pecorino Romano, and a generous amount of freshly cracked black pepper. Whisk until smooth. By now, your water should be boiling. Add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Before draining, reserve about a cup of the pasta water. This starchy water will help create a creamy sauce later on. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and immediately add it to the skillet with the guanciale. Toss everything together to coat the pasta in the delicious fat. Now, remove the skillet from heat. Quickly pour in the egg and cheese mixture, stirring vigorously to create a creamy sauce. If it's too thick, add a little reserved pasta water until you reach your desired consistency. Plate your carbonara and finish with extra Pecorino Romano and a sprinkle of black pepper. The result is a beautiful creamy dish that's sure to impress. Enjoy your homemade carbonara. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.